say great. Down on. Down on. Great. Down on. Down on.
And when I think that God his son not sparing sent him to die, I scarce can take it in. That on the cross, my burden gladly bearing, he bled and died to take away my sin. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to me. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art.
Everybody just jump, jump, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, don't break that one. Jump, jump, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, don't break that one. When I ponder upon the wonder, and the works your hand has made, hear the sound of the rolling thunder, when all the saints be praised. Jump, jump, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, don't break that one. Jump, jump, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, don't break that one. Say great, down on.
When Christ shall come with a shout of acclamation and take me home, what joy shall fill my heart. Then I shall bow in humble adoration and there proclaim, my God, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art.
Everybody just jump, jump, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, don't break that one. Jump, jump, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, don't break that one. Say great, down on. Because you're so great. Now massive on crew, I wanna see you move. So lift up those heavy feet and step to the beat. To the roots of ska, back when reggae star. How great thou
Oh
art.
Lord my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all thy worlds thy hands have made. I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art.
Everybody say great, down on. Great, down on.
And when I think that God his son not sparing sent him to die, I scarce can take it in. That on the cross
jump, jump, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, don't break down one. Jump, jump, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, don't break down one. Say great, down on.
When Christ shall come with a shout of acclamation and take me home, what joy shall fill my heart. Then I shall bow in humble adoration and there proclaim, my God, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee, how great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee, how great thou art, how great thou art.
Everybody just jump, jump, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, don't break down one. Jump, jump, sing to the Lord, sing to the Lord, don't break down one. Say great, down on.
Oh Lord my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all thy works thy hand doth make. I see the stars, I hear the mighty thunder, thy power throughout the universe display. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. When through the woods, the forest glades I wander, and hear the birds sing sweetly in the trees. When I look down from lofty mountain grandeur and hear the moon and feel the gentle breeze, then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. And when I fail, I've got His Son not sparing.